In this short video, we are going to be talking about some tips and tricks to use Flecks and Specks colored grogs in your slip casting practice. We can add any amount that you desire into any amount of casting slip. Today we're just using a quart container with a little sprinkle of charcoal small. After shaking it, you can see that it has fairly even coverage within the casting slip. Our smaller sizes of grog, including extra small, small, and medium, definitely stay suspended a little more evenly in the casting slip throughout the casting process, but there's no reason you couldn't use large or extra large. I like to use the side of my slip container as an example of how evenly distributed and how prevalent it will be in my final cast. After demolding your cast form, I find it's best to let it sit for a couple hours or even overnight wrapped lightly in plastic so it can firm up. Sponging is a very important part of revealing the grog in our cast form. The drier that cast is, the easier it is to put some pressure on it with a damp sponge, and you actually have quite a bit of control over revealing a little bit or a lot. As you can see here, some of the grog is right on the surface, some of it is also just below the surface of this translucent slip. You can see that these punchy grog colors come through a clear, they're very beautiful in the raw clay, and they'll even come through a nice opaque gloss white.